Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a meeting in the Zoom app on your mobile device. So let's get straight into it. First, download the Zoom app from either the App Store for iOS or the Play Store for Android. And once installed, just open the app. And then from here, you will need a Zoom account to create a meeting. If you don't have an account yet, tap sign up to create one. If you already have an account, then just tap sign in and enter your credentials. After signing in, navigate to the bottom menu and tap meetings on the left. At the top, just tap new meeting. And before starting the meeting, you will see a few options. So choose whether you want your video enabled when the meeting starts and use personal meeting ID so you can turn this on if you'd like to use your dedicated meeting ID. And when ready, just tap start a meeting here. And the app may ask for permission to access your camera, microphone, and other features. So just tap allow when prompted. And once the meeting starts, use the icons at the bottom to mute or unmute yourself and to turn your video on and off. And now, if you want to invite others, just tap participants at the bottom here. And in the next screen, tap invite in the bottom left corner, like so. And from here, you can choose from various options to send invites, such as through email, messaging apps, or you can just simply tap copy invite link to share the link directly with others. And once participants join using the link or invite, you're all set to begin your meeting. You can also explore additional features at the bottom of the screen, such as screen sharing or chat, but basically, this is how it's done. So that's how you can create a meeting in the Zoom app on your mobile device. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.